welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is another video for my NikkieTutorials Beautybay palette series. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, so to start off with, I'm just doing my brows, so I'm just filling them in. I then clean them up, and then I go in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base and just pop that on my eyelids before I start my eyeshadow. So now I have a nice clean base to start with. I just set that in place using Basic Trout from the palette. So this is pretty close to my skin colour. I then jump into Zoma and I use that in my crease and blend it out. Once that's blended to where I want it, I then go back into the palette and I grab the shade Slasher and I start with this on my outer corner and bring it into my crease. For the areas that I want more pigment, I just go in and pack the shadow on. Once that's all blended to where I need it, I then go in with whatever's left on the brush. I don't pick up any more pigment and I just pop that on the first half of my lids. So that's just to give some colour, but I don't want it to match the outer corners or the crease colour. I then deepen up the outer corners using a bit of the setting spray. So I didn't actually pick up any more pigment here. I just used the setting spray on top of it so that you could see the defined areas. Then go over the top with the shade Pride and just place that in the first half of my lids. I then go in and add a winged liner. I pop on some mascara and some lashes. And for the face, I use my trusted products, so my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, my L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and my Nikkie Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. For bronzer and blush, I jump into my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and my Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus Blush. I then jump into my favourite highlighter, the Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette. I then pop some white eyeliner on my waterline. And then jump into the shade Ooh for my lower lash line. For my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, I go in with the shade Ivy and I just use my finger. I then blended that shade into my upper lids. And then set it all in place and done my lower lashes with my L'Oreal Paradise Lash Primer and waterproof mascara. And for lips, I was feeling quite bold, so I used the shade Courage, which is from the Tarte collection that they have on their website. I just blended it in with my finger so it wasn't so deep, and then I used my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk and popped that on the centre. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the finished look. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget to head over to my Instagram. I post fun little reels like this, and I also post looks that don't make it to YouTube. As always, thanks for watching, guys.